Get ready for your next outdoor adventure with a lightweight and efficient cooking companion. The best compact camping stove offers powerful performance, easy portability, and reliable flame control, perfect for campers who love quick, hot meals anywhere in nature. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Gas 1 Compact Camping Stove. The Gas 1 Compact Camping Stove is a true powerhouse for outdoor enthusiasts who want reliability, efficiency, and flexibility in one small package. Its standout feature is the dual fuel compatibility, allowing users to choose between butane and propane, making it a versatile choice for different camping situations. Whether you're cooking in cold weather or at high altitude, this stove ensures you always have a fuel option that works. The automatic piezoelectric ignition removes the hassle of carrying lighters or matches, instantly sparking the flame with a simple turn of the knob. The adjustable heat dial lets you precisely control your cooking temperature, whether you're boiling water or simmering soup. Designed with safety in mind, the built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system automatically ejects the cartridge if irregular pressure is detected, while the gas flow cutoff mechanism adds another layer of protection. Compact and easy to transport, the Gas 1 stove is perfect for campers, backpackers, and tailgaters alike. It's built tough yet lightweight, allowing you to pack it easily without adding much weight to your gear. With the included propane converter regulator, it's ready for any adventure. Overall, this model stands out for its impressive blend of safety, power, and portability, making it one of the best compact camping stoves for outdoor cooking. Number 2. Fire-Maplee Compact Camping Stove. The Fire-Maplee Compact Camping Stove brings together efficiency, innovation, and convenience in a compact design ideal for serious backpackers. Its industry-leading heat exchange technology reduces wind impact and cuts boiling times by up to 30%, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meal. The best compact camping stove is designed to be fully integrated, featuring a 1-liter cooking pot that directly connects to the stove for improved stability and performance. The built-in piezoelectric igniter offers instant ignition with a simple click, so you can start cooking immediately. Weighing just 18 ounces, this system is extremely portable and perfect for travelers who want to minimize weight without sacrificing performance. The sturdy anodized aluminum pot ensures durability, while the locking stainless steel handle and neoprene cover make it easy to handle even when hot. Although the fuel canister is sold separately, it's compatible with most standard canisters, except Coleman, making refueling easy. For windy conditions, using a windscreen enhances performance further. The Fire-Maplee stove combines functionality with a smart, compact design that allows all components, including the stove, bowl, and fuel canister, to fit neatly inside the pot for convenient packing. Ideal for solo campers or minimalist backpackers, it delivers reliable cooking power and space-saving practicality. This all-in-one setup truly sets a high standard for efficiency and design among portable stoves. Number 3. Colemane Compact Camping Stove. The Colemane Compact Camping Stove is a classic example of rugged reliability paired with efficient performance. Designed for outdoor lovers who value simplicity and dependability, this stove offers up to 10,000 total BTUs of powerful cooking heat, perfect for boiling, frying, or simmering with ease. Its perfect heat design ensures maximum fuel efficiency, providing steady flames and consistent heat while using less propane. Equipped with a pressure regulator, this model maintains consistent performance even in extreme conditions, whether you're camping at high altitudes or braving chilly mornings. The adjustable single burner allows precise temperature control and accommodates an 8-inch pan, ideal for quick meals or brewing coffee on the trail. Wind baffles around the burner help maintain a stable flame, minimizing the impact of gusts and ensuring efficient cooking. One of its most appealing aspects is portability. The stove separates the burner and base from the propane bottle for easy, compact storage, saving valuable space in your camping gear. On one 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, it runs for up to 2.5 hours on high, giving you ample time to prepare multiple meals. Built to last, the Colemane Compact Stove reflects the brand's long-standing reputation for quality outdoor products. It's a reliable, no-nonsense choice for campers, hikers, and emergency kits alike, offering the right balance between power, convenience, and durability, all in a space-saving design perfect for travelers. Number 4. OGERY Compact Camping Stove. The OGERY Compact Camping Stove is a versatile and innovative choice for campers who want more than just basic cooking capabilities. Featuring a dual-function griddle, this stove lets you cook almost anything, from grilled meats to scrambled eggs, thanks to its two-sided cooking surface, one textured for searing and one smooth for frying. With two high-powered burners delivering a combined 10,000 BTUs, it offers quick, efficient heating suitable for family or group meals. Each burner has adjustable controls, giving you precise temperature management whether you're boiling or slow cooking. The push-button ignition system ensures a hassle-free start without the need for matches or lighters. Despite its power, the OGERY stove remains impressively portable. It folds down to a compact 10.2 inches by 9 inches by 3.5 inches and comes with a carrying bag for easy transportation. The larger cooking surface can accommodate two 10-inch pans at once, making meal prep effortless for groups. Built with durable materials, this stove handles rugged outdoor use while maintaining reliability. Perfect for camping, hiking, or tailgating, the OGERY Compact Camping Stove provides a blend of functionality, portability, and performance that outdoor cooks appreciate. Its clever design and user-friendly operation make it one of the best compact camping stoves for those who enjoy variety and efficiency in outdoor cooking. Whether it's breakfast at sunrise or barbecue by the lake, OGERY ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. Number 5. WLSINJLe Compact Camping Stove. The WLSINJLe Compact Camping Stove is a powerhouse built for serious campers who want professional-level performance in a portable design. Equipped with two high-powered burners delivering a combined 17,000 BTUs, this stove can boil a liter of water in just 3 minutes or sear a steak in 2. Each burner offers independent control, allowing multitasking while preparing multiple dishes. Compatible with pots up to 9 inches, it's perfect for everything from frying vegetables to brewing coffee. Despite its impressive output, it remains ultra-portable, weighing only 5.5 pounds and featuring a built-in handle for effortless carrying. The upgraded one-handed ignition system makes starting a fire easy and safe, no matches or extra tools required. The package includes a complete cooking kit, stove, carry bag, 40-inch gas connector, 9-inch grill pan, and a foldable windshield, making it ready for immediate use. Built from durable 304 stainless steel, the WLSINJLe stove resists rust and corrosion while offering easy cleaning with its removable grill and non-stick frying pans. It's engineered for both convenience and endurance, ensuring years of reliable use in all weather conditions. Ideal for camping trips, tailgates, or emergency cooking, it's designed to make outdoor culinary adventures smooth and enjoyable. With its powerful performance, complete accessories, and easy portability, the WLSINJLe Compact Camping Stove easily earns its reputation as one of the best compact camping stoves available for outdoor enthusiasts who value both quality and efficiency. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.